Has it ever happened with you that soon after you came out of a very heated conversation, you realized 10 different ways in which you could have responded to the person, and hence taken the entire discussion to a different level altogether? Or have you ever got overwhelmed at work by someone just because you can't say no, even while you're struggling with your own problems? Or has someone who's very close to you ever emotionally triggered you? When these things happen to us, it gives us a lot of stress, and we become irritable and panicky, and we sometimes lose the sense of taking rational decisions. We sometimes lose the ability to take sensible decisions. So the best way to deal with such situations is to always take a step back and think of the situation rationally, and then explore your options. And I've always said in my previous videos too, the some of the ways that you can do is to just take your mind off that situation, and indulge yourself into some other things, like meditating for some time, or perhaps taking a stroll for some time. That is going to calm your mind. But what happens when you again come back and think of that situation? What are some of the things that you must keep in mind while you respond to in a situation? Hi friends, my name is Shagufta, and today I'm going to talk to you about a very simple yet effective model, which is called as a CIA model, which means control, influence and accept model. Now if you understand these three components of the model properly, and if you try and put this into use in your personal and professional life, you will be able to put your problems into perspective more easily, and hence be able to also take rational decisions. So the first element of CIA technique is control. So let's look at the elements that you can control in a situation. Now I'm going to give you two examples here, guys. Okay, the first example is at work. You have received a new assignment. Although your hands are full, although your plate is full, you've still received a new assignment, and that is something that you can't control, correct? Now let's look at the things that you can control. What you can control in this given situation is you can either speak to your manager and extend the delivery date. That is something that you can control. The other thing that you can control here is you can either take help from your subordinate, or you can delegate that task to your colleagues or to your subordinate. That these are some of the things that you can control. The second example, guys, is this ongoing global pandemic. Now of course that is something that you can't control. You can't control the global spread of COVID-19, but what is it that you can control in this situation? What we can control here is we can practice social distancing, we can wash our hands frequently to protect our own self. These are the things that we can control, right? So always in a given situation, the first thing to look at is the things that you can control. The second element of the CIA model is influence. Let's look at things that you can't control. You may be able to influence them. The new assignment that you got at work, maybe you have those special skills to help solve that problem, or help solve that particular project. And how do you use your influence here in the global pandemic? Obviously you can't control the spread of the global pandemic, but what you can do is you can persuade people at your house or your friends in getting vaccinated as soon as possible. You can request them to go out only when it's needed, to wear mask at all times when they are out, or not to go out unless and until it's really required. These are the people who trust you, so it's easy to influence these people. They are going to listen to you. But when you do that, be sure that you use your influential power positively, and not to manipulate people or to serve your own needs. And when you do that, obviously it is going to damage your own reputation, but it's also going to cause people to distrust you. The last element of the CIA model is accept or adapt. Now, some things that you can't control or influence, like the global pandemic or the rise and fall of the stock market, these are the things that you can't control or even influence. That is when you say that you accept it. And guys, frankly, by saying that you accept a given situation, it doesn't mean that you are you are lazy, or you are passive or ineffective. It simply shows your resilience, it shows your maturity, and it shows your intelligence. It shows that there are limitations, but it also shows that uh, you are able to make practical decisions. you know Perhaps take some time out and reevaluate your priorities, and then realign your personal goals. Maybe learn a new skill or take up a new responsibility. Keep yourself engaged. So, guys, that is it about the CIA technique. Use the CIA technique in your professional and personal life. It's going to help you put your problems into perspective and help you take rational and sensible decisions. Obviously, you can't control a given situation, but what you can control is how you respond to that particular situation. That's it from my end. I hope it was helpful. Please share your comments in the comment section below. And until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye.